You know, one of the things that I love about crafting is experimenting. And Kim did a great segment where she showed us how to do sort of dimensional paper embossing. And you may recall her little journal here, which I just thought was absolutely fabulous. But I noticed that she did it on plain cardstock, and I was super curious as to whether you could also do it on patterned paper. And then I remembered, well, hey, that's why I'm a crafter, so I can experiment and play. So last night I took a couple of subtle pattern papers and I ran them through the machine, and sure enough, you can absolutely do this kind of faux letter pressing. It's not even faux letter pressing, it's real letter pressing. You can do this kind of letter pressing right onto pattern paper, and I love the way that it turned out. And then I had another question. I was wondering what would happen if I ran it through on the wrong side, meaning all of the design is indented, and then I decided to ink afterwards. Well, let's find out what happens. See if it's a good idea or a bad idea. So I'm simply going to rub the ink pad right across here. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So you see that you can get another totally different look. Here's a tip from me to you. One of the things I like to do is I like to keep an experiment journal. And what I do is after I try an experiment, I simply write down what the formula was so that the next time I have any questions, I can just refer back to that instead of having to make it up all over again. Now, there's one more experiment that I'm kind of wondering about, which is can you take a patterned paper this crazy and do some effective letter pressing with it? And you know what? I'm going to leave that experiment up to you.